Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen by Nana. I just want to take this time to welcome all the new subscribers. Welcome to this family. We always have fun cooking. Today I'm cooking dry beans. Most of you have seen them, most of you like them, so I decided to share my recipe. I finished washing the beans and now I'm going to place them on a source of heat. Sometimes when I cook dry beans, I soak them overnight so that they are soft when I'm going to cook them, because they take a very long time to cook. But today I decided to do it from scratch without soaking them and keep around to see the results. While the beans are boiling, I'm going to use this time to wash the fresh ingredients that I got from the market. As you can see, I'm using 2 red onions, 3 ripe tomatoes, 2 carrots, and 1 green capsicum. You can add garlic in case you have it, but I don't have it today, but I would suggest that you add it because it adds a very good flavor to the beans. Beans are a very good source of proteins and fiber, so you should always include them in your diet because they are very healthy and also tasty. I'm going to include all the ingredients and the spices that I'm using in this specific recipe in the description box. Please feel free to check it out, and in case you want to try out this recipe, please do. The beans come out very nice and very tasty. As you can see, the beans are ready. You know that beans are ready when they are soft and when they start breaking. I've placed the beans in a different pan, and now I'm using the same pan to fry all the fresh ingredients. Fry all the ingredients until they are very soft and tender before you add the beans. So I'm frying them for some good time before I add the water. I'm giving them a very good mix. Because I want all the ingredients to be tasted in every single bite of the beans. Some people grind the beans to make them a little bit very soft, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to fry until they become very soft, and then I add the water. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my kitchen by Nana, hit the subscribe button, it's down below. And also hit the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to leave your comments behind. I've reduced the heat because that is how I do it. After frying, I put them on low heat and let them boil for some good time. To me, they tend to taste better if you let them boil on low heat for a longer time than boiling on high heat for a shorter time. So please take note of that. And also, if you want to try out this recipe, feel free. The beans came out very nice, very tasty, very thick. It's a must try. You can have the beans with posho, rice, matoke, sweet potatoes, chapatis, anything of your choice is good. Thank you for watching the video.